Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 291. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another past event, emphasizing the sequence? A. He already finished his report when his boss asked for it. B. He had already finished his report when his boss asked for it. C. He finishes his report when his boss asks for it. D. He is finishing his report when his boss asks for it. Correct answer, he had already finished his report when his boss asked for it. Past perfect tense. Question number 292. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and is still continuing up to the present moment? A. They wait for the bus for 30 minutes. B. They have waited for the bus for 30 minutes. C. They are waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. D. They have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Correct answer, they have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 293. Which tense describes a prolonged past action that explains a past consequence or state? A. She was exhausted because she ran a marathon. B. She was exhausted because she had been running a marathon. C. She is exhausted because she runs a marathon. D. She will be exhausted because she will run a marathon. Correct answer, she was exhausted because she had been running a marathon. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 294. Which tense is used for permanent situations or states of being? A. He is tall. B. He is being tall. C. He was tall. D. He will be tall. Correct answer, he is tall. Simple present tense. Question number 295. Which tense describes a temporary action that is happening around the present, not necessarily at this exact moment? A. I read a lot these days. B. I am reading a lot these days. C. I read a lot yesterday. D. I will read a lot soon. Correct answer, I am reading a lot these days. Present continuous tense. Question number 296. Which tense describes a series of completed actions in the past? A. He woke up, got dressed, and left for work. B. He is waking up, getting dressed, and leaving for work. C. He has woken up, got dressed, and left for work. D. He will wake up, get dressed, and leave for work. Correct answer, he woke up, got dressed, and left for work. Simple past tense. Question number 297. Which tense expresses a decision made at the moment of speaking, often an offer or a promise? A. I help you with your bags. B. I am helping you with your bags. C. I will help you with your bags. D. I helped you with your bags. Correct answer, I will help you with your bags. Simple future tense. Question number 298. Which tense describes a past action that was in progress when another action, typically shorter, interrupted it? A. While I cooked, my favorite song played. B. While I was cooking, my favorite song played. C. While I have cooked, my favorite song played. D. While I cook, my favorite song plays. Correct answer, while I was cooking, my favorite song played. Past continuous tense. Question number 299. Which tense indicates a future action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future, as an expected activity? A. This time next year, I teach English. B. This time next year, I will teach English. C. This time next year, I will be teaching English. D. This time next year, I am teaching English. Correct answer, this time next year, I will be teaching English. Future continuous tense. Question number 300. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another past event, establishing a clear sequence? A. When I arrived, the meeting started. B. When I arrived, the meeting had started. C. When I arrive, the meeting starts. D. When I arrived, the meeting was starting. Correct answer, when I arrived, the meeting had started. Past perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.